Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Amanda, and today we have a super fun episode for you.
Hey everyone, I'm Lucky. So nice to be back with you guys. Amanda, I have to say, you look so energetic today.
Thank you. I had my coffee, did my morning walk, and now I'm ready to talk.
That explains it. You always start your day like a superhero. Meanwhile, I barely made it out of bed.
Lucky, tell me, what time did you wake up today?
Let's just say the sun was already high in the sky.
Oh no, not again.
I know. I'm trying to become a morning person, but my bed loves me too much.
Well, you can start with baby steps. Wake up 15 minutes earlier each week.
That's a good idea. I'll try that. But you know what, Amanda? Even if I wake up early, I never know what to eat. What's your breakfast secret?
My favorite question. Oatmeal with fruits and honey. Sometimes an egg sandwich. You?
Coffee. Just coffee. Maybe a cookie if I'm lucky.
Lucky eating cookies for breakfast. No wonder your name fits you.
Hey, cookies have sugar. Sugar gives energy. It's science.
Sure, Mr. Scientist. Okay, let's teach everyone a few breakfast words.
Great idea. Let's go.
Okay, guys, repeat after us. Bread, butter, jam, cereal, eggs, juice, coffee, tea.
And my favorite, cookies.
Fine, cookies too. Now let's move to your work life, Lucky. How's work going?
Work is busy. I had 3 meetings today. My brain feels like mashed potatoes.
I understand. Meetings can be so tiring. What do you do to relax after work?
I watch funny videos, or sometimes play games. You?
I read books or listen to calm music.
See? That's why you're calm, and I'm chaotic.
You're not chaotic, just energetic.
Yeah, let's go with that. So, what kind of books do you read?
Mostly motivational or romantic novels. Sometimes travel stories. I love learning about new places.
That's cool. I like travel too, but not the airport part. So much waiting.
True, but the moment you land in a new city, that's the best feeling ever.
Agreed. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
Maybe Japan. I want to see cherry blossoms and eat real sushi.
Oh, I'd love that too. I'd probably go to Italy. Pizza, pasta, and beaches.
Of course you'd choose food.
Yes, my stomach chooses my destination.
Let's ask our audience. Where would you like to travel? Tell us in the comments. Lucky, I think this was our best chat yet. We talked about work, life, dreams, everything.
Yes, and now I feel motivated to wake up early tomorrow.
Really? I'll call you at 7 a.m. then.
No, maybe 8 a.m.?
Okay, deal.
Everyone watching, thank you for joining us today.
We hope you learned some new English words and had fun listening.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Friends.
And remember, learning English is easy when you learn with friends.
See you soon.
Bye, everyone.